Hello everyone, my name is Petro, and in this video I'm going to be showing you the wooden masonry drill bit set from Parkside. I bought this specific one from Lidl. I paid for it $7.99, but you should be able to buy them from eBay, Amazon or any other tool retailer online that they are able to have stock of this specific product. So what I'm going to do is, as usual, show you the outer box and then of course show you the actual product within the box itself. So if I just show you around, the box itself is not that big, but it's not small either. So if I zoom in, so this, all the information you need is here at the front, but I will zoom in just in case. Then you get 18 pieces, and these are the technical information. So you can zoom, you can pause at any time if you would like to read it. So if I zoom out, and on the back, now this one, you can, if you have like a workshop, you can hang it on a wall, or you can hang it to your workshop specific area where you have for this type of thing. Now the way to open that, what you'll do is just push this on the back, and then you should be able to open it. And once you open it, you just lift it up, and you should be able to see the products around inside. They go from a small number to the right towards a bigger number on the left. I haven't personally used anything like that before, so I'm not. I wouldn't be able to advise you specifically on which type of wood you would use it, but there are people out there that have the experience for it, and it's this one specifically used for wooden masonry. So let's just open it again. So the ones at the front, they seem to be different from the ones in the back. So if I were to get one, for example, let's just take one in the back, and these are the number 8s I'm getting, so you should be able to see the difference. So this one has 19 pieces. I'm sorry, it has 18 pieces. It costs $7.99. You can buy that Lidl, or you can buy it online with eBay or Amazon, as I mentioned earlier. But Lidl will have the advantage of selling this cheaper compared to them. The product doesn't feel cheap in any way, shape, or form. But again, I haven't used this specific product in the past, so I wouldn't know for sure the actual performance of it. But once I get the chance to use it, I will definitely share my thoughts. So again, this is what you're getting. The box is made. The whole box out of it is made out of metal, and this is it. So in the next video, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be showing you the other part of it, which is the HSS metal drill bit set. But that will be on the next video. This is pretty much, this is as simple as that. One more thing to show you. What type of tool you're going to use this. This is definitely, you're not going to be able to use the Parkside screwless screwdriver. So in case you wonder, this won't fit in there. So you're not going to be able to use that in case somebody has a question about it. But you should be able to use the cordless drill tool from Parkside. So this is the small version, this specific one, which again I'll make a video in the future. So if I were to push the red one, take it out, this is the second part, you won't be able to use it on that part either, but you should be able to use it on the normal piece, which is this one here. So again, what you would do is put in there, if you hold the black part and then press the power button, this will lock it in place, I believe. Oh, need to use the other side. So this should lock it in place, which it does. So as you can see here, and then you should be able to use it with the cordless drill tool from Parkside. Again, this is the small version, which I'll make a video in the future. But you shouldn't have any issue using the 18-piece masonry wood set with this one. It actually is perfect for this one. So if I were to get it out again, so again, if you would like to get it out, you'll put the anti-clockwise, hold your hand here, it will open the area here, and then you should be able to get it out. So you get it in, get it out, as simple as that. There's no force needed, and you have everything in a nice box. This is the wood and masonry drill bit set from Parkside. Once more, this is the box, and this is what you're getting. Again, thank you for watching the video, guys. Do press the like button and subscribe to the channel for more content. Until next time, stay safe and take care.